When I was a kid, my parents didn't speak about the war. And they had accents, obviously, and it was a bit embarrassing to me because the kids in the park, most of them, their parents didn't have accents. However, it dawned on me one day that all of my parents' friends had accents, and that the survivors that they went through the war with somehow gravitated to this area in Brighton Beach. And there must have been, I'm going to say, 7 or 8 families who, although we didn't have actual relatives, they became the extended families. And these were the families that we hung out with all the time. You know, whether eating and drinking and hanging and playing cards, that was the comfort level for my parents. We didn't, they didn't actually have a lot of, as we call them, American friends. And we were labeled the greenhorns in those days. The Grenina came in. And it was tough for them. A lot of, even the Jewish people in Brighton Beach didn't like them. For me personally in my house, it was, I have a sister. My sister's 5 years younger than I am. She was born in the United States. She was born in Brooklyn. And growing up with survivor parents who had lost everything, it was very difficult as I got older because, well, my parents were very different. My mother was afraid of everything. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? What are you going to do? Who you going? Where? Don't go. Don't do this. My father, no fear. Go. Go. Nothing to be afraid of. Go. Let him go. Let him go. Even to the point where I think when I was 17 or 18, I left for Europe. And I traveled through Europe, and my mother was sick every day. Because in those days, you didn't have cell phones. You couldn't check in. And she was just nervous all the time, scared. My father, no fear. The fear came from the other side, from my mother's side. To this day, it still does. But with him, no, you wanted to go to war with him. He wasn't letting anything happen.